All right, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive, often invisible bottleneck in digital strategy. Look, if you're pushing for real business transformation and scaling your growth, especially if you're running a modern tech or SaaS company, you already know your website is your ultimate storefront. But so many leaders are falling into this hidden trap. So today, we're going to look at the absolute necessity of separating your SEO layer from your conversion layer, and how nailing this will completely untangle the traffic versus revenue trap for good.
It's an absolutely agonizing scenario, isn't it? I mean, picture this. You open up Google Analytics, and you're proudly watching that organic traffic line just climb up and up. Your marketing automation is working perfectly. But then, you open your CRM, and revenue's completely flat. Sometimes, it's actually down. Or maybe you've got the exact opposite issue. You have a gorgeous futuristic landing page that converts like crazy, but literally nobody is finding it unless you're pouring thousands into paid ads. So why exactly does this happen?
To figure that out, here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll untangle the traffic versus revenue trap, clearly define SEO and conversion, and look at the bottom line financial impact. After that, we'll compare these two systems head-to-head, show you how to build a unified, automated setup, and finally, fire through some really common website mistakes you absolutely need to avoid.
Let's jump straight into Section 1, the traffic versus revenue trap.
The trap itself is incredibly simple, but man, is it devastating. Essentially, most companies build one single type of website and ask it to do two completely opposite jobs at the exact same time. It's literally like asking your brilliant, highly technical back-end AI engineer to suddenly jump on a client call and act as a hard-closing sales rep, right? Both jobs are totally crucial for a tech company to scale, but they require entirely different skill sets. Asking one single page to attract a massive audience and simultaneously force a hyper-focused, frictionless checkout, well, that's exactly why your web traffic just isn't turning into actual revenue.
Moving right along to Section 2, defining SEO versus conversion.
To properly fix this issue, we really need to clearly define the two distinct jobs your digital real estate has to do. First up, the SEO website. This layer is built for one single purpose: discoverability. Think of it like your business raising its hand in a massively crowded room. And in today's digital landscape, look, it's not just about traditional Google searches anymore. A huge share of buyers are starting their research using AI-powered tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity. They're asking AI assistants what a company does long before they ever click a URL. So your SEO website lives in thorough blog posts, deep technical guides, and comparison pages. It needs to be rich in context so that search engines and AI models can easily parse, summarize, and cite your solution.
Now contrast this directly with the conversion website. This is what happens the second a prospect is actually looking at you. This is your landing page, your pricing tier page, your automated demo request form. It is absolutely not built to be found. It is built exclusively to close. Once they arrive, you want a tight, premium, zero fluff environment. No wandering around, no 10 competing links in the top navigation bar. You just want a clean, futuristic interface with one clear, undeniable next step.
Let's head into Section 3 and talk about the bottom line impact.
2.9%. That is the average website conversion rate across all industries right now. Anything over 3.5% is considered good, and 5% is genuinely strong. But I really want you to stop and think about that baseline for a second. Just 2.9%.
Because look, if you pour thousands of dollars into doubling your web traffic, but your conversion rate stays stubbornly flat at that 2.9%, you've essentially just doubled a very small number. You're scaling your costs, not your efficiency. If instead you simplify that complex conversion layer on the traffic you already have, you're going to see much faster, highly measurable business impact. You can drive massive revenue growth without spending another dime on ads, simply by creating a seamless digital experience for the users already sitting right there in your pipeline.
All right, Section 4, comparing the two systems. Let's do a quick head-to-head structural breakdown to see exactly why these two systems naturally clash when you force them onto the same page. The structural needs here are polar opposites. SEO demands expansive depth. It wants long-form content, comprehensive topic coverage, and tons of internal links to build authority. Conversion, on the other hand, demands absolute minimalism. It wants less of everything, fewer distractions, zero fluff, and a sleek, lightning-fast UI. Try to make one single page do both, you end up with a clunky, confusing mess that neither Google, AI bots, nor your future client can understand.
When we map these systems out side by side, the structural divide becomes super obvious. The core goal of SEO? get found. The goal of conversion, get chosen. Design-wise, SEO needs a highly crawlable, structured setup with clean headers. But conversion requires elegant simplicity, just one visual path, leading straight to a conversion button. And finally, the metrics. You judge SEO by organic sessions and AI citations, sure, but you have to judge conversion by hard, measurable numbers, conversion rate and revenue per visitor. They are literally two completely different lenses for viewing your business growth.
Next up is Section 5, building a unified setup.
So the million-dollar question, how do you actually build this out so both jobs get done properly? Well, it starts with a core structural fix. Step 1 is mapping your existing pages by purpose. Ask yourself, does this specific page exist to attract or does it exist to close? Step 2, separate those jobs entirely. Step 3 is building fast, authoritative, AI-readable SEO content to build up your audience. And Step 4, designing tight, distraction-free conversion paths that take people from those discovery pages straight into the moments that matter, like automated quote forms or seamless demo requests. By auditing your site this way, you ensure these two tech layers are integrated perfectly.
I really love this quote because it hits the nail right on the head. The winning setup isn't pick one. It's SEO pages that funnel qualified visitors straight into conversion pages built to close them. That captures the entire philosophy. The winning setup doesn't force you to pick between high traffic or high closing rates. It means building SEO pages that act like a massive digital net, smoothly funneling qualified visitors straight into hyper-efficient conversion interfaces. It's two highly specialized systems working seamlessly as one unstoppable revenue engine.
Finally, Section 6, common website mistakes.
Before we wrap up this explainer, let's quickly fire through some incredibly common mistakes that actively ruin this dual setup and stall your scalability. Number 1, forcing your homepage to be a keyword magnet and a sales pitch. It just dilutes your conversion path. Number 2, stuffing your clean, premium landing pages with clunky SEO keywords they're never going to rank for anyway. 3, ignoring page speed, scalability, and performance on your checkout pages. Let me tell you, a slow form kills conversions instantly. 4, publishing authoritative content that has absolutely no links to a conversion path. That is just wasted traffic. And 5, failing to innovate by never A/B testing your headlines or forms.
Which leaves us with this final, crucial thought to end on. Take a really hard look at your digital infrastructure today. Is your website trying to do two totally different jobs at once and just failing at both? Or have you built a seamless, modern system where your discoverability and your conversion work in perfect, profitable harmony? Solving this isn't just some minor marketing tweak. It is the absolute key to unlocking your true revenue engine. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this helps you build a smarter, faster, and much more efficient digital presence.